Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, August 28th. Fixing the Waterslide. Repairs are nearly complete on the frightening bolt Waterslide aboard Icon of the Seas after an acrylic panel shattered mid-ride earlier this month. The damaged sections were removed while the ship was docked in St. Maarten, with new solid tubing expected to be installed during a stop in St. Thomas. Royal Caribbean says the slide could reopen later this sailing, pending final checks. The guest that was hurt in the Waterslide accident has since filed a lawsuit against Royal Caribbean for injuries sustained during the ride. A guest on Star of the Seas told our tip line yesterday that the drop slide was still closed as of Wednesday morning. And climate activists with Extinction Rebellion attempted to block the P&O cruise ship Ventura from docking in Rotterdam on Sunday. Now, using small boats and canoes, about 15 protesters delayed the ship for 30 minutes before police intervened and made 2 arrests. The group calls cruise ships, quote, floating environmental disasters and is demanding a national ban in Netherlands. Ventura was on a short sailing out of Southampton. This marks the second recent disruption by activists following a similar one earlier this month in Amsterdam. And Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas is now homeported in Miami, launching short cruises from Bahamas starting this week. Now, with Star of the Seas taking over in Port Canaveral, Wonder begins 3- and 4-night sailings to Nassau and CocoCay, running through April of 27. The ship recently added a non-smoking casino, a new Crown and Anchor lounge, and upgrades to its teen area. Wonder joins Utopia as the second Oasis-class ship, offering year-round short cruises to the Bahamas. And cruise stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 1.5%, 32.34. Royal Caribbean up the same, 359.07. Norwegian up 0.5%, 24.88. And Viking up 2%, 62.94. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. This week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Virgin Voyages' Resilient Lady, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.